What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well today. My name's Jay, and today I'd like to talk about SPYDER taillights. All right, so SPYDER taillights, what are they? They are an aftermarket taillight brand or headlight brand that will replace your stock housings with LED variants of those. SPYDER or SPYDER taillights also go by a few other names online. So if you're shopping on Amazon or eBay, you can also look for AKKON, which is AKKON, or you can look for ANCII, which is ANCII. Either one of those should pop up, and if you actually go that route, which is what I recommend, it'll save you about $100 if you do it that way versus trying to buy the quote-unquote SPYDER one. So definitely look for those versions if you can. Like I was saying, SPYDER taillights replace your stock taillight housings with the aftermarket LED version, and you typically can choose from one of three options. Option one is the black version, so that's the one that I have. So that one has the clear lens with the black housings. They also have the smoke version, which has a tinted lens with a black housing, and then they have a red tinted one for a more kind of stock look that has a red tinted lens with like really a chrome housing in it. Any style you choose will be plug and play replacements for your stock housings. That includes resistors, so you don't have to go out and get separate resistors. It's a huge reason why I went with this brand, is that that's already included in the package. There's no wiring for you to do. It's literally plug and play. So installation is very easy. All you really need is just a screwdriver with a bit changer on the end and a T15 Torx bit. If you want to get a little bit more involved, what you could do is you could pick up some silicone and some dielectric grease and just do a thin bead of the silicone around the edges where the housing meets the lens. That will just make sure that the seal stays watertight. And then the other thing that you could do with the dielectric grease is just put a little bit of that dielectric grease on the connectors between the headlight itself and the vehicle itself. I haven't really heard about these taillights failing. I haven't had that experience, but everything that I have seen on it, basically if water gets into that connection, they could fail, and then you'd have to replace not only the headlight, or I'm sorry, the taillight unit, but the connection point on your vehicle's wiring harness as well. So, a $5 bottle of dielectric grease will go a long way. And then the third thing that's also optional, but always helps, is just, a drill, a power tool. Will just speed things up a little bit. But you really don't need any of those. They really are plug and play. All you really need in order to get these installed is the screwdriver. If you want more detailed instructions on how to actually install the SPYDER taillights, I do have a video on my channel outlining in detail and also in first-person perspective how to actually install them on a vehicle. And in my specific circumstance, it's a 2016 Chevy Colorado. All right, so how do they look on the Colorado? Pretty damn dope, right? Yeah, I thought they were gonna look awesome when I bought them, and I'm really glad I went with the black housings, because I feel like for my truck and the direction I was going with it, it's probably my second favorite mod after my wheels. So I love them. Other people love them a lot. I get questions about them all the time. People give me compliments on them all the time. So it's definitely something I recommend purchasing if you're interested in doing it. But like I said, try to go to like an Amazon or an eBay. You'll save yourself a little bit of money. The diffuser that serves as like the running light on the brake light, I just think that looks incredible, especially like at night when the truck's like idling, or like you're stopped somewhere and you have the truck in park. Like, it just looks phenomenal. The LEDs are also at least twice as bright as the halogen units that came with the truck. So just from a safety perspective, people are going to be able to see you stopping or see you signaling to turn a lot sooner than they would with the halogen unit. So it's actually increasing your safety from that standpoint. So that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe. All right, take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.